Hi, welcome back to Khushi's Mega Health Program. This is the time to know the truth. If we want to know the truth behind all the diseases which is occurring in the world, we have to follow money, and we'll come to know that most of the diseases are not caused by hereditary or any other reason. The real reason is diseases are created in the world to earn money by creating ignorance in the people. Most of the cancer industries, diabetic industries, pharmaceutical industry and food industry are making money by not saying the truth behind all the diseases. So, we have to increase our consciousness and understand that diseases are neither given by Mother Nature nor God, nor it is our fate to suffer of ignorance and diseases. So, Lord Krishna has said, Sabse bada yog, Jnana Yog, which means knowledge. Today I'll tell truth behind all the diseases. Our morning starts with poisonous chemical through which we brush our teeth. The food we consume are genetically processed food. These arises diseases in our body, and when we suffer from diseases, companies make benefit out of it. So we have to understand that our body is like a shrine temple in which conscious soul resides. So we have to consciously think before putting anything inside the mouth. So start brushing your teeth with neem stem. Chew the neem stem from one end and rub. Rub and clean the teeth from all the sides. Try to get neem stem. If it is not available, then use any Ayurvedic toothpaste which contains neem, babul, pudina, long and turmeric, etc. Avoid yourself from 3 white poisons which is stored as a food from food industries, that is sugar, which is known as Hindi chini, and salt, which is known in Kannada as uppu, and maida as much as possible. Avoid processed grains like wheat and rice and start consuming the real grains which was consumed by our saints around 6000 and 10,000 BC. So I'll show you those grains. This is foxtail millet, which is known as Navane in Kannada, Kora in Telugu, Tene in Tamil and Kakum or Kangni in Hindi. This is barnyard millet, which is known as Udalu in Kannada, Udalu in Telugu, Kuthirai Valli in Tamil and Sanva in Hindi. This is Kodo millet, which is known as Kodo in Hindi, Arka in Kannada, Arikelu in Telugu, Varagu in Tamil. This is little millet, which is known as Kutki in Hindi, Same in Kannada, Samulu in Telugu, Same in Tamil. One more is brown top millet, which is known as Korale in Kannada. Include all green vegetables and fruits with these natural grains and become disease free. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschita dukkha bhag bhave. With these words, I end my today's episode. I'll be back with some more healthy tips. Till then, goodbye.